You seen the thumbnail, so that's right. We doing some homemade wing stock. First thing first is we gonna flour the chicken wings. Then flour them up. I'm getting the grease good and hot. While I do this process, we're gonna try to fry it at like 350. First thing I'm just, putting the flour on and trying to shake off as much as possible because I don't want to mess up my grease too soon. So I'm basically just flouring them up with a nice little light coat, all-purpose flour with a little garlic salt. That's all I put in, a little garlic salt. So let's make this thing happen. Alright, so now we're gonna put these things in this grease. I'm using canola oil. I'm gonna put them in. I'm basically putting in like 4 at a time because I don't want to overcrowd it. And then again, I'm just trying to reserve the grease. Let's get it. In the grease they go. So right here you see I got them fully submerged. I got them deep fried, but only for like 5 minutes. Okay, now we finna make this lemon pepper seasoning, or lemon pepper sauce rather. So I got some fresh zest going. I got that going in some melted butter. And I just want to go around that lemon, get as much of the zest as possible without going too deep. Just want to kind of keep it yellow. As you can see right there, got that zest thing doing the trick for us. So next, we're gonna use sprinkle in some black pepper, lemon pepper, right? So you gotta have black pepper. Sprinkle in some black pepper, and we're gonna use some onion powder. Sprinkle that in, and we got some garlic powder. Dash some of that in. And next, we're gonna cut open a lemon, and we're gonna use some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I like to squeeze it close together, and you'll see why. Look at that, see the seeds? That's right, just hold it close together, both halves, and squeeze. Lemon seeds never fall in the bowl. All right, y'all know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna stir it around, that's right. And check out that lemon pepper sauce. Looking good from here. Stir that thing around. Perfect. Alright. Now next, we're gonna do this here spicy barbecue sauce. Basically, barbecue sauce and some cayenne pepper. Sprinkle some of that in and stir it around. Stir it around. Now the wings are all fried. They are ready to be placed in the oven. I'm gonna do half with the lemon pepper season sauce, and then I'm gonna let the other half bake naked. So we basically doing our two favorite flavors: lemon pepper wings and the spicy barbecue wings. Put a little more of that lemon pepper. Let me say this: homemade lemon pepper sauce. Put a little more on it. We're gonna place it in the oven for like 30 minutes with under the temp of 350. Let's get it. So the fries have been fried, and y'all know how they use that, some kind of seasoning. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm watching my sodium, so we gonna do something that doesn't have sodium in it. A little dash. Now we're gonna make us some homemade ranch dipping sauce. Got a little mayo, some sour cream, and we're gonna use some parsley, some vinegar, and off camera I got like 3 more ingredients that we're gonna put in this. Now that the ranch dipping sauce is made, y'all know what we're gonna do next. We got to have the veggies. The celery and the carrots is like really one of my favorite things to get from Wingstop. Got to have the veggies. And man, them carrots was good too. Delicious. There you have it, folks. Homemade Wingstop, lemon pepper wings, and spicy barbecue wings with the seasoned fries. That's no salt seasoned fries. Homemade ranch dipping sauce, and we got the veggies. Let's just scroll around, take a look at this. Oh yeah, the film gonna be happy tonight. It's about to go down, baby. Nothing left to do. 2 thumbs up from the chef. And grace and smash. Peace.